Hi guys, welcome back to AJ Projects. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install Flexi Border Garden Edging. Flexi Border can bend up to 70 degrees. It's made from recycled rubber, which makes it eco-friendly. It also has a lifetime guarantee that it won't break or discolor. That's probably why it's in the higher price range. In my example, my lawn edge isn't straight, so I'll be using a long piece of timber as a guide. If you need to bend yours, the installation process is still the same. Here's a demonstration on how I done mine. Enjoy.